Hi, families. I would like to give you an important update about Zoom this year. Now, at the top of every course, you will see the live session, daily Zoom, or however it looks, in their course materials. But in order to access it this year, your students must be logged in as their mymail account. Now, if you're using a Chromebook, it'll automatically do this for you. If you're on a Chromebook and you're logged into your mymail account, click that link and boom, you're in the Zoom. You won't have to sign in or anything. However, if you are on a tablet, a PC, or an Apple computer, things will be a little bit different. I highly recommend you use a Chrome browser, like I'm using here, and sign in using your mymail account. That will help you get there the best way possible. If you are logged in with your mymail account and you click that Zoom, it will take you there. If you're using the Zoom app, it's also important. The Zoom app on a tablet or on a PC or a Mac looks something like this. And if you're using this, you need to sign in using your SSO. Using a personal account will not work. You will be blocked from entering the Zoom. So you click sign in with SSO. The company domain is LAUSD. Click continue, and it will take you to a screen to log in. On the next screen, I'm already logged in, so it logs me in. It might ask for your mymail and your password. You need to log in with your mymail or password. Then hit launch Zoom, and it will take you to a logged in version of yourself. You can check that you're logged in because it will say your login up here. It needs to say mymail.lausd.net. Mine says lausd.net because I'm a teacher, but the students will say mymail.lausd.net. It needs to be the mymail login. If you're having any trouble with this, talk to your teacher and they can help you walk through how to get in, because you will not be allowed into a meeting without that. Have a good day.